Hey everyone! Welcome back to Future Phone Flash, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're talking about the much-anticipated next generation of Samsung's foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Even though their launch is still a few months away, we've got some fresh leaks to share, so let's unfold the details. Funky vibes with the Z Flip 6. Let's start with the Galaxy Z Flip 6, set to turn heads with its funky new colors. According to insider leaks, the Z Flip 6 will be available in light blue, yellow, light green, and the classic silver. While silver remains timeless, these fresh hues add a pop of excitement to the Z Flip series. A splash of pink for the Z Fold 6. Now, onto the Galaxy Z Fold 6, where Samsung is breaking new ground with a first-ever color option. Reportedly, the Z Fold 6 will introduce light pink to the lineup, alongside the sophisticated dark blue and classic silver. It's a bold move that adds a touch of elegance to Samsung's foldable flagship. Sneak peek into the future. Let's talk about what's buzzing in the tech world. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are generating a lot of excitement, and we're here to give you the scoop on what to expect from these futuristic foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 unveiled. Zooming into the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the latest leaks suggest some exciting updates. The new model is rumored to feature a wider cover display, making it more user-friendly and versatile. Not just that, but it looks like Samsung is going for a more squared-off design this time around, giving it a sleek and modern edge. Imagine a foldable that's not just about the screen but also brings a fresh look to the table. What's new with the Galaxy Z Flip 6? Moving on to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, details are still under wraps, but the anticipation is high. With Samsung's track record of innovation, we can expect some jaw-dropping features. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates and rumors. You might be wondering, why all the excitement about these new foldables? Samsung's Galaxy Z series has been at the forefront of foldable technology, offering devices that blend power with groundbreaking design. These next-gen foldables are not just phones. They're a peek into the future of mobile technology. What to expect in the coming months? As we edge closer to the official launch, expected around July, we'll undoubtedly see more leaks and teasers. We promise to keep you updated with every piece of information that comes our way, ensuring you're the first to know the ins and outs of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Inspiration from Nubia Z60 Ultra. What's really interesting is where Samsung might be drawing its inspiration from. The tipster compares the Z Fold 6 a new look to the Nubia Z60 Ultra, known for its square corners and flat frame. This design choice is not just about aesthetics, it's about how the device feels in your hand and how it operates in your daily life. Flat frame and functional design. Digging deeper, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is said to feature a flat frame, echoing the Nubia Z60 Ultra's design. This isn't just a style statement. A flat frame can enhance the device's durability and make it easier to grip. Samsung seems to be pushing the envelope on what foldables can be, both in form and function. What this means for users. So, what does all this mean for you? A wider, more square Galaxy Z Fold 6 could transform the foldable experience. More screen real estate, a novel design that stands out, and potentially better ergonomics. It's a bold step forward, signaling Samsung's commitment to not just evolving, but revolutionizing the foldable market. Sophisticated tones for the Z Fold 6. Now, turning our attention to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung continues its trend of sophistication with three elegant color choices: light pink, dark blue, and, once again, silver. These refined tones add a touch of class to the Z Fold 6, making it not just a cutting-edge device but a stylish accessory. Powering up with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Beyond the aesthetics, both the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 pack serious power under the hood. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Society, these foldables are ready to deliver lightning-fast performance, seamless multitasking, and an immersive gaming experience. Say hello to next-level power. Unpacked Event and Galaxy Fold 6 screen. Mark your calendars for July as Samsung's Unpacked event promises to be a showstopper. Alongside the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, we can expect the grand reveal of the Galaxy Ring, Tab S10 series, and more. Plus, rumors suggest that the Z Fold 6 will feature a wider screen compared to its predecessor, offering even more room for productivity and entertainment. Evolution of foldable colors. These new color options mark a shift in Samsung's approach to foldable design. While previous models like the original Galaxy Z Fold offered bold choices like Astro Blue and Martian Green, the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 strike a balance between classic sophistication and vibrant modernity. It's an exciting evolution in foldable fashion. Design insights. While the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is expected to maintain its familiar look, recent reports suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could sport a slightly different layout. Speculations hint at a wider cover and internal screens, promising a more immersive experience for users. Powerful performance. Under the hood, both the Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are rumored to pack a punch with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. This powerhouse chipset ensures seamless performance and responsiveness, perfect for multitasking and gaming enthusiasts. Trust concerns and shipments. Interestingly, rumors suggest that even Samsung itself has reservations about the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE. Reportedly, the Korean phone maker aims to ship 200,000 to 300,000 units initially, reflecting cautious optimism. However, if the device indeed launches at the rumored $800 price point, shipment numbers could soar. Balancing act for Samsung. As Samsung navigates this delicate balancing act, the success of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE hinges on its ability to capture consumer interest amidst Apple's mainstream announcements. Will Samsung's gamble pay off, or will it struggle to gain traction in the fiercely competitive smartphone market? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As Samsung prepares to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 6 FE amidst Apple's September launch event, the tech world braces for an intense battle for consumer attention. Stay tuned as we keep you updated on all the latest developments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tech analyses. Until next time, stay informed and stay tech savvy.